Assalamualaikum guys, how are you guys? Today I'm here again with a new video which is regarding the Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is one of the very beautiful countries located in Central Asia. This country is near the Russia, exactly located on Russian border, and it has been the part of Soviet Union. So this country is considered one of the beautiful land for the tourists. Different tourists across the globe have interest to come here to explore the beautiful places, to stay here, because Kazakhstan is one of the big land uh, itself. So this country is very attractive, and sightseeing and other tourist spots are very beautiful. And this country I already have visited in 2019. So my overall experience was very nice while going over there, staying over there, and after completing my visit, I really enjoyed it. So I would like to suggest you that you also go to explore and to see this beautiful country as a tourist. And if you are going to apply visa from Pakistan on Pakistani passport, so there are some certain requirements you will have to fulfill these requirements prior to travel. So as usual, we must have valid passport. Passport validity at least should be 6 month. So then you can arrange a visa invitation letter for Kazakhstan. So visa invitation letter is very mandatory for the Kazakhstan. You will have to go again to the Karvanistan website. Here is, you can see the image of Karvanistan website. So you will go and fill the form online. You will pay fee online by your credit card. So after paying a fee, you will get a letter of invitation like this. You can see the picture of this letter of invitation which you will receive from Kazakhstan. So this letter you will carry with yourself to the embassy of Kazakhstan, and you can choose any embassy in all over the world. While applying the invitation letter, you can get the visa from there. So visa you will get like this. Here is the image of visa. You can get visa after submitting your case. Prior to travel over there, just make sure you are fully vaccinated. If you are fully vaccinated, that's good for you. uh, Before going to there, you must go for the PCR test 70 hours before you're traveling. If you will not be fully vaccinated, then you will have to stay for 14 days in quarantine. If you are fully vaccinated, they might allow you without quarantine to explore the places. But right now, Kazakhstan is not fully open for the tourist. I'm just giving you the information. If you have a aim to apply visa in future, then you can arrange visa case like this. Guys, please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. If you really enjoy this information regarding the Kazakhstan visa, and if you really have interest to apply the Kazakhstan visa, then you can arrange your all the documents step by step. You can prepare your case. You can approach to the Kazakhstan embassy. And my advice always that do not have overstay in Kazakhstan. Just come back timely.